Welcome everyone to our tutorial in AutoCAD. Our topic for today is about circle command. When we say circle command in AutoCAD, this is used to create circles in a drawing, and it allows us to specify the circle size and the position of our circle. In AutoCAD, you can create circles using different methods based on available geometric constraints. The types of circle in AutoCAD include the center radius, which is create a circle by specifying the center point and the radius. Next one will be center diameter. Here in our center diameter, it will create a circle by specifying the center point and the diameter. Next one will be toe point of a circle. This create a circle by specifying toe point on the circumference. The next one will be 3 point of a circle. This create a circle by specifying the 3 point of the circumference. The next one will be tangent radius, and it will create a circle on our tangent by two objects with a specified radius. The next one will be tangent. This create a circle that is tangent to the three objects. Now, we're going to demonstrate on how to create a circle and its type of our circle. We will start to the center radius. So here, we're going to select center radius. Then, we will bring our cursor using our mouse. Then, for example, I will start from here. Left click button of our mouse. Then drag the object. If you try to observe, we will start our circle from our center of our circle. Then drag the object. Then, for example, we will use 1 unit to create our circle. Type 1, press enter or spacebar. That is our created center radius. Next one will be center diameter. We will select center diameter from here. Then again, drag the object or drag our cursor to our drawing area. Then specify the center point of our radius from here. Drag the object. Now, I will type 1 unit, press enter or spacebar, and that is the center diameter of our circle. Next one will be toe point of our circle. Select toe point of our circle, then drag the object. For example, I will specify my center point here, then drag the object. Then from here, I will type 1, press enter or spacebar. Then that was our created toe point of our circle. Let's go to other one, the 3 point of a circle. Select the 3 point of a circle, then bring our cursor in our drawing area. Then specify the center point of a circle from here, then here, then here, and this is our created 3 point of a circle. Now, let's go to the tangent radius. Select our tangent radius from here by clicking of our mouse left click button. Then, for example, I will start from here to specify my first point. I will connect the tangent of our circle from here, then enter, and that will be the created tangent radius of our circle. Another type of our circle, the tangent from here. I will connect to our circle the tangent by specifying the center point of the circle. I will start from here, then here, then here, then that will be the created type of our circle. Now, let's go to the other way on how to create also our circle to create easily, and we will draw faster by using our shortcut key command. We will type C in our keyboard. For example, I want to create it here on our drawing area. Specify the center point, drag the object. For example, I want to create the radius. I will type the radius that I want, for example 1, then it was created already the radius of our circle. Now, the other way of creating a circle using the diameter will be type C in our keyboard. We simply select the diameter from our command prompt, or we can right click our mouse, then select diameter from our option. We can put 1 to our diameter, then that was created diameter of our circle. Thank you so much for watching.